Good evening, beer strugglers. Lately, now that No Shave November is in full effect, had some of my colleagues and some other people that have came up to me, and they're sitting there telling me how they're using the beer struggle products or any other types of products, like the balms and the oils and whatnot. They really didn't have a clue on how to use them and what was the best way to use them. So I decided to put together a few short little videos, which I'm going to include in this article today, that should walk you through all that. Basically, I'm going to cover the why as to the science behind it, and then I'm going to cover the when, like when you should be using it, like what time of day you should be using it, and then lastly, I'm going to cover the how to use it. And in all that, I'll give you guys some tips on how much to use, how you should be applying it to your beard and to your face. And hopefully this will give you guys some more insight. And like I said, the videos should be small. I'm going to try and keep them down to like 2 to 3 minutes at most. So try not to get too long-winded on them. So go ahead and scroll down a bit lower on this article and look at the videos. I hope you guys enjoy it. If you guys have any questions or comments, feel free to find us on Facebook, or you can comment to the article, the comment section of the article below. I hope you guys enjoy these little short little videos, and until next time, beard on, beard strugglers.